Okay. Question number 33. Which of the following alcohols react most readily with Lucas reagent? Okay. In Lucas reagent, the order of reactivity is tertiary, greater than secondary, greater than primary. Okay. It undergoes SN1 reaction. We know that in SN1 reaction, the reactivity order is tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary. So answer is C, tertiary butyl alcohol. Okay, tertiary butyl alcohol. Then 34. Vapors of an alcohol X, when passed over hot reduced copper, produces an alkene. The alcohol is, we know that in dehydration, primary alcohol gives aldehyde. You have to remember, and secondary alcohol gives ketone, and then tertiary alcohol gives alkene. We have to find out the tertiary alcohol. Here option C. Okay. When vapors of alcohol X, when passed over hot reduced copper, produce an alkene, the alcohol is tertiary alcohol. Okay. The alcohol is tertiary alcohol. Then arrange the following alcohols in order of increasing reactivity towards sodium metal. Okay. Arrange the following alcohols in order of increasing reactivity towards sodium metal. Okay, tell me the reactivity. Sodium metal. Okay, it is based on acidity. Ethyl alcohol reacts fast. Okay. The here acidity order is ethyl alcohol greater than secondary alcohol greater than tertiary alcohol here. So third to 1. Okay. Option is third to 1. Yeah. Third is the highest. 1 is the lowest. Here option C. 1 less than 2 less than 3. Then the most suitable reagent for the conversion of alcohol to aldehyde. Okay. It is PCC. PCC oxidizes primary alcohol to aldehyde, but others here potassium dichromate, chromium trioxide, potassium permanganate, KMnO4, they convert primary alcohol to carboxylic acid. Okay, primary alcohol to carboxylic acid. Okay, so answer is PCC. Okay, next question. Tertiary butyl alcohol gives tertiary butyl chloride on treatment with alcohol converted to chloride. Option A, concentrated HCl, anhydrous NaCl2. Option B, KCN. Option C, NaOCl, chlorine. So answer is concentrated HCl, anhydrous NaCl. Okay, here reaction is CH3 here is tertiary butyl alcohol plus HCl, concentrated HCl in presence of ZnCl2. Okay, minus water, it gives tertiary butyl chloride. Okay. Next question. Which one of the following oxidation gives a ketone? This secondary alcohol. Primary alcohol gives carboxylic acid. Secondary alcohol gives ketone. So answer is option B. Secondary alcohol gives ketone. Methanol and ethanol are miscible in water due to, we know that alcohol, methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol are soluble in water. It is due to option A, covalent character, option B, hydrogen bonding character, option C, oxygen bonding character, option D, none of this. It is due to hydrogen bonding, formation of hydrogen bonding between alcohol and water. Okay, between alcohol and water. So here H, OH, here alcohol, HOR. Here hydrogen is plus, oxygen is minus, hydrogen is plus, oxygen is minus. Okay, like that. And similarly, oxygen of alcohol, OH group of alcohol or O, then hydrogen of water also combines. There is interaction which is known as hydrogen bond. There are hydrogen bonding between hydrogen atom of one molecule and oxygen atom of another molecule, which is stronger. That's why it is soluble in water. Then primary and secondary alcohols on action of reduced copper give. Primary and secondary alcohol on action of reduced copper give. Primary alcohol gives aldehyde and secondary alcohol gives ketone. It is option A. Primary alcohol, aldehyde, or it is primary alcohol. Why primary alcohol? OH. The OH group attached to the carbon which is further attached to only one carbon. This is primary alcohol. Okay. Upon hitting with copper, it is around 300 degrees Celsius. So hydrogen gas will be removed. So here C and O, there will be a double bond, or C double bond O, which is aldehyde. Similarly, secondary alcohol, the secondary alcohol, this carbon attached to two carbon, here are and here also are two carbon. It gives ketone, or C double bond O, or plus hydrogen gas. Okay, option A. Aldehyde and ketones respectively. Next question. The correct order of boiling point of primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol. It is primary greater than secondary, greater than tertiary. Option B, tertiary greater than secondary, greater than primary. Option C, secondary greater than primary, greater than tertiary. Option D, secondary greater than tertiary, greater than primary. So it is option A. It is due to boiling point is inversely proportional to branching. Okay, since primary alcohol, there is less branching, that's why the boiling point is more. Okay, the order of reactivity is order of boiling point is primary greater than secondary greater than tertiary. Okay, if branching occurs, so there is decrease in size. Van der Waals force depend upon size. More is the size, more is the Van der Waals force of attraction. Less is the size, less is the Van der Waals force of attraction. So boiling point directly proportional to Van der Waals force of attraction. Okay. तो ब्रांचिंग होता है तो क्या होता है, ब्रांचिंग होता है तो साइज कम हो जाता है. टर्शियरी अल्कोहल में ज्यादा ब्रांचिंग है तो इसके लिए कम साइज है, तो इसके लिए लेस बॉइलिंग पॉइंट है. Then Lucas reagent is option A, concentrated HCl and anhydrous NCl group. This is the right answer. Okay. Here Option A, concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2. Okay, this is Lucas reagent. Next, the compound which reacts first state with Lucas reagent at room temperature is tertiary alcohol. Find out which is the tertiary alcohol. Option D is tertiary alcohol. Okay, so it is tertiary butyl 2-methyl propan 2-OL. It is tertiary butyl alcohol. We know that in Lucas reagent, order of reactivity is tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary. So tertiary is more reactive. The answer is option D, 2-methyl propan 2-OL. Methanol and ethanol can be distinguished by the following: by reaction with metallic sodium. By number 54, methanol and ethanol can be distinguished by the following. Answer is option C, by heating with iodine and caustic soda. Ethyl alcohol CH3 CH2OH, it undergoes oxidation to form CH3 C double bond OH. Okay, acetaldehyde. Then acetaldehyde. Okay, then acetaldehyde, it undergoes iodoform reaction, I2 and NOH. Okay, it gives fast replacement of 3 hydrogen, and after that, okay, so CHI3 iodoform plus H C double bond O ONA, sodium permanate. It is iodoform, it is yellow precipitate. Yellow precipitate. But methyl alcohol does not give iodoform test. Okay, alcohol with CH3CHOH, CH3CHOH group. Okay, this group can only give iodoform test. But methanol has only one carbon, so it does not have CH3CHOH group, OH group, so it cannot give iodoform test. Okay, so answer is ethanol. It is by heating with iodine and caustic soda. That means ethyl alcohol gives iodoform test, but methanol does not give. Okay. The next question. Lucas test is done to differentiate between alcohol and ketone, alcohol and aromatic ketone, primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol. D, none of this. Option is C. Tertiary gives instantaneously turbidity, tertiary alcohol, turbidity instantaneously. Okay. Secondary after 5 minutes. Primary, no reaction, or after 60 minutes. Okay. Primary does not give this reaction, or it gives after 60 minutes, or only by heating. Okay. The next question, ethyl alcohol can be converted into acetaldehyde by catalytic hydrogenation, treatment with LiLH4, treatment with pyridinium chlorochromate or PC. Okay, your answer is option C. Okay, option C. Then okay. 47. Which of the following reagents can be used to oxidize primary alcohol to aldehyde? Pyridinium chlorochromate PCC, Monroe oxidation, and heat in presence of copper. So third and fourth. Third and fourth. CrO3 sometimes also used chromium oxide. Third four, actually main option is third four, but third four not given. K-4 cannot be used. So option 1, third, and 4 option C. There is 2 option. No, it is only third four. It is repeated C and D. Okay. Option D. Okay. Third and 4. It is repeated. CrO3 and K-4, it gives directly carboxylic acid. Then in order to make alcohol undrinkable, pyridine and methanol are added to it. The resulting alcohol is called power alcohol, poop spirit. It is denatured spirit. Okay, option C. Denatured alcohol. Undrinkable means here ethyl alcohol contains pyridine and methyl alcohol. It is undrinkable. It is called denatured spirit. Denatured spirit. Okay. The next question. Wine alcoholic beverages contains methyl alcohol, glycerol, ethyl alcohol, then propan 2OL. Okay. Alcoholic beverage means contains ethyl alcohol. Okay, option C. Then which one of the following will not form yellow precipitate on acting with alkaline salts of iodine? I have already told that the compound or the alcohol which has this group, it gives iodoform test. Okay, here B, C and D has this group CH3 CH2OH here CH3 CHOH group. Okay, here CH3 CHOH group, and here CH3 CHOH group. But except this one, methyl alcohol, it does not have CH3 CHOH group, so it cannot give yellow precipitate. Okay, option 50 A option. Then drinking alcohol is very harmful. It ruins the health. Drinking alcohol stands for drinking methyl alcohol, drinking ethyl alcohol, drinking propyl alcohol, drinking isopropyl alcohol. Drinking alcohol means drinking ethyl alcohol. Okay, drinking ethyl alcohol. Dehydration of alcohol is an example of elimination. Dehydration means removal of water. Okay, dehydration means removal of water. Removal means elimination of water here. So it is elimination reaction. Option B. Okay, it is elimination reaction. Okay. The next question. The alcohol which does not react with a Lucas reagent, mainly primary alcohol. Here isobutyl alcohol, N-butyl alcohol or N-butanol. Okay. Tertiary butyl alcohol and secondary butyl alcohol. Okay. This is N-butanol. Okay. Primary alcohol. Okay. N-butyl alcohol. So primary alcohol okay, no reaction. Isobutyl alcohol also less reactive, but tertiary and secondary gives easily. When the vapors of a primary alcohol are passed over heated copper at 573 Kelvin. Okay, primary alcohol. So I already discussed these questions. Primary alcohol gives aldehyde, secondary gives ketone, tertiary gives alkene. So since it is primary alcohol, so it gives only aldehyde. Option A. Okay. Primary alcohol gives only aldehyde. I have already discussed this question. Okay, in presence of copper, this is elimination reaction. It gives aldehyde or say double bond OH aldehyde. Then a better reagent for oxidation of primary alcohols to aldehyde is. Better reagent for oxidation of primary alcohol to aldehyde is Cbse, acidified potassium permanganate, acidified potassium dichromate, lithium aluminum hydride, PCC. Okay, acidified potassium permanganate gives carboxylic acid. Potassium dichromate also gives carboxylic acid, but lithium aluminum it undergoes reduction to give alcohol. So answer is PCC. When the vapors of a secondary alcohol are passed over heated copper at 573 Kelvin. Okay, when the vapors of secondary alcohol are passed over heated copper 573 Kelvin, so it gives ketone. The reaction is secondary alcohol. The structure is like this. Okay, presence of copper at 300 degrees Celsius or 573 Kelvin. It undergoes dehydrogenation, means removal of hydrogen gas. It gives R C double bond O R ketone. Okay, so only ketone is formed. Next question. When the vapors of a tertiary alcohol are passed over heated copper at 573 Kelvin, dehydrogenation takes place. Okay, what is formed? It is gives alkene. Option D. So the reaction is suppose here CH3 tertiary butyl alcohol or CH3, here also CH3. In presence of copper at 300 degrees Celsius, so your elimination of water, this does not give dehydrogenation. It undergoes elimination of water. Okay, the product is CH3, C double bond CH2, single bond CH3. So alkene is formed. Next question. The product of ethyl alcohol treated with concentrated sulfuric acid at 443 Kelvin. 443 means 170 degrees Celsius. The product is ethane. Okay, the product is ethane. CH3, CH2OH, and here 2 here 1 hydrogen concentrated H2SO4. This reaction is temperature sensitivity. So H of one atom, one carbon, and OH of another carbon to form water. The elimination of water and then CH2 double bond CH2. Okay, in elimination reaction, single bond converted to double bond converted to triple bond. But in addition, triple bond converted to double bond and double bond converted to single bond. Here elimination takes place. So here यहाँ से ब्रेक हुआ H और यहाँ से OH ब्रेक होके गया. जहाँ ब्रेक हुआ, ओके, जो कार्बन में ब्रेक हुआ वो ज्वाइन होके क्या होता है, एक बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन होता है. तो CH2 के बीच में एक बॉन्ड बनेगा. ओके, सिंगल बॉन्ड था, अभी और एक बॉन्ड बन गया, तो डबल बॉन्ड बन गया. तो CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH2 प्लस वाटर. So it gives alkene, ethane. Okay. Next question. The mechanism of dehydration of ethanol involves the following steps: formation of protonated alcohol, double I formation of carbocation, triple I formation of ethane by elimination of a proton. Okay. So dehydration of alcohol. The first step is protonation. Dehydration means elimination of water in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. First step is addition of proton. Okay, your oxygen has lone pair electron, so it will attack H plus ion, so it is protonation. Okay, and the product is CH3, CH2, OH, OH. It is protonated alcohol. Means alcohol is protonated. Proton means H plus is proton. So protonated means addition of proton, protonation. After that, then elimination of water to form a carbocation. So CH3, CH2 plus. This carbocation. Okay, one is correct. Then double I is also correct. Then here CH2 and here H. Then this bond will form double bond. Here and H plus will be removed. So the product is CH2 double bond CH2 plus H plus. Okay, formation by elimination of proton is also correct. So option C, I double I, it is triple I. It is triple I. Okay, so option C is correct. Write down the mechanism.